are so many rishis who have contributed powerful spiritual knowledge. 1 minute. So we are just going with the Upanishad, which is an important measure to communicate and also elevate our minds. Every time our minds are always dropping down, but when we connect ourselves to the Upanishadic knowledge, apart from the Samhita and all that, because the Samhita and Brahmanas and all that are huge, a little difficult to grasp at a first reading, but the Upanishads are closer to us because they teach us Gnanam. The Upanishads teach us the measures through which we can solve our problems, because the mind is tenable to become gloomy,
Right.
to become completely hopeless, and fear takes on into that. Therefore, we have been seeing in Taittiriya Upanishad, for example, where Shikshavalli is the first section, where we must discipline ourselves. So unless you discipline, but however it is, you will not be having controls. That's why Swadhyaya Prasamsa also has become an important event in the Shikshavalli. That is, you have got to do your own self-study. Self-study means Swadhyaya Pravachanena. So Swadhyaya, and whatever understanding you get it, you have to share it with others. So that when you share knowledge, your knowledge becomes more and more concretized. It becomes confirmed knowledge, because your mind is active to think. That's exactly what Meena has done to me.
It's my blessings, uncle.
So, because otherwise our reflection power will be dull. And when once you are able to reflect on that, we are really great. Therefore, in the Shikshavalli, we are given the knowledge about the education and graduation, and then what we have when we go out independent from our teachers, how we should conduct ourselves. And the second section is called Brahmanandavalli, or otherwise Brahmanandavalli, and we have already crossed to understand the summary of the entire Upanishads, that you should be anxious to know about Brahma, because Brahma vidapnoti param. If you want to reach up the higher heights of spirituality or in our own mundane life, you should start valuing the higher things. Unless you value others, you will not get your desires fulfilled. So you have to be very much docile. And we have got to know that Brahma Saram, and then we have already covered Annamaya Kosha, because the Pancha Kosha Vidya is there. That is Annamaya, Pranamaya, Manomaya, Vijnanamaya, Manandamayam, Atma. This Atma is, Atma means the spirit plus our body, both. So the spirit in us is able to use the body up to the required extent. Therefore, and in fact, Bhagavatam, even the Atma gets tired when the body becomes old. Therefore, the Atma, having acquired some knowledge, it wants to migrate into a new body. That's exactly a new thing, because when once body becomes worn out, some 80, 90 and all that, it will not be, then people hardly think of any Vedantic knowledge. There are people who put a question, oh, I am already 80 years. What more is there for me to learn? I don't want to read any book. I don't want to learn anything. I don't want to attend any Veda classes. I know. I told an old man, Baba, come and sit, you learn something. No, I at this age, what can I gather? Nothing. If he were to have an attitude like that, the Atma is crying. So the Atma will say, go, no use. So here we have got Annamaya, then Pranamaya, Manomaya, and Vijnanamaya. Sheets are there. So we have covered up all the 5 sheets in our previous sessions. That Annamaya means Annam, people limit their expectations and all that by adjusting the grub, by just getting the grub or earning money, enjoying and eating and all that. They do not think of anything else at all. Lakhs and lakhs of people are there in the world who always limit themselves to the food acquisition. People spend a lot of hours in the kitchen. So I pity Indian women, sir. A Cambodian monk was telling, I pity Indian women, sir. They spend morning 3 hours, evening 6 hours, 3 hours in the kitchen. 6 hours in the kitchen, sir, how much? So like that, he went on talking about the importance of India, because the Indian woman is different than other. Because people outside India, they depend upon the packed food, ready-made food, etc., etc. They just go to mall, buy something, and not even, that's why many people, but no, in India, Madugu, Acharamu, Sampradayamu, Peddalu, Chinnavallu, oh God, Godavalu ekku untayi. So you cannot be as you like. You should be as the elders like you. Therefore, Annamaya Kosha. Next, we have got talking about the Pranamaya, Pranam, Jiva, Pranam, Bhutanam, Ayuhu. So Pranam is equal to Ayus, is equal to health, is equal to longevity. And besides Anna and Prana, we have also noted Manomaya Kosha. That is, there is, everybody has got Manas. And people are happy, unhappy, crying, or Sukha, Dukkha, Sita, Ushna. All these Dvandvas, people are feeling just because of Manas. That's exactly what Krishna is talking about in the Bhagavad Gita. So, Mayarpita Mano Buddhi. So, Manasu, Buddhi, they are juxtaposed things in our body. Therefore, Manaha is one which can still attempt to catch the Paramatma, but Manas is not at all enough to reach up the heights of God. Therefore, Aprapya Manasasaha, even through mind, we cannot read, because in case you are able to realize the Brahmananda, the Ananda, the bliss, supreme bliss, Brahma is supreme, Brahma is huge, then there will not be any fear. Because man is always haunted by fear. ఏమి ముట్టుకున్నా కూడా భయం ఉంది. పెన్ను ముట్టుకున్నా కూడా చెయ్యంత ఇంక్ అయిపోతుంది బాధ ఆ రోజుల్లో. స్క్రూ కారుతుంది, చెయ్యంతా ఇంక్ అయిపోతుంది. All cheap pens are being given to the children. Hey, I can't give you costly pen. We all experienced. By the time we come home, we see that his finger fully ink. You are all lucky boys. Your generation is different. And pen, and at that time we had no other. We used to carry ink bottle plus another pen, dip right, and all that. So fear is a factor which will be always bothering the body. But there is that kind of Atma which is completely in want of knowledge. What is Atma that is staying in us? That is, it is said that Anandamayaha, Anyontara Atma, Vijnanamayaha. We have noted this Atma is Vijnana Maya. Maya means filled with completely something like our body filled with blood. ఎక్కడ ఓపెన్ అయినప్పుడు బ్లడ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, చెయ్యి కానీ తల కానీ ఎక్కడ కానీ. సో దట్ మయత్వం ఈజ్ వికారం ఈజ్ ఫుల్లీ ఫిల్డ్ విత్ దట్, అండ్ దట్ ఆల్సో we covered. And ultimately we come to know the penultimate higher stage in the Ananda search. We're always trying to surmount the heights of Ananda one by one, crossover. We should have transit from the Annam, transit from Pranam, transit from Manas, and now we are embarking upon the Vijnanamaya. There also, what is the work that Vijnanam does for us? Now, Vijnanam Yajnam Tanute. Though I have done in the last session 15 days back, I think last Monday we could not meet. So, Vijnanam Yajnam Tanute. Vijnanam means the laboratory manual or the application knowledge, the technological expertise, all that will help us to perform work. Yajna is a work, and the goal of yajna depends upon your choice. నేను ఎందుకు యజ్ఞం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే కామ్యేష్టులు ఉన్నాయి, నా కోరికలు తీరాలి అని చెప్పి యజ్ఞం చేస్తారు. నో, ఐ వాంట్ గెట్ మోక్షం, సో యజ్ఞం. బికాస్ యజ్ఞ ఈజ్ Vishnu. Yajno vai Vishnu. And therefore, when you dedicate yourself to the activity to appease Vishnu, then you will be definitely rising high. And this Yagnam, is not connected only to human beings. అందరూ కష్టపడాలి, పుట్టిన వాళ్ళందరూ కష్టపడాలి. ఏషాం జన్మ విద్యతే తేషాం యజ్ఞం తేషాం యజ్ఞ విద్యతే, యజ్ఞం విద్యతే. ఎవరైతే పుట్టినప్పటి నుంచి పనిలేరండి. దట్స్ వై శంకరాచార్య సేస్ కస్సంతోష తవ మానవా. భజగోవింద స్తోత్రం, he will just put a question. ఎలా ఉన్నారండి? సంతోషంగా ఉన్నారండి. నాకేం కహ సంతోష, ఈజ్ దిస్ సంతోష? హాయిగా నడుచుకొని పోతుంటాం, సడన్లీ ఎ థారన్ గెట్స్ డ్రివన్ ఇన్ టు అవర్ ఫుట్. ముళ్ళు అంటాం, అమ్మా అని కూర్చునేస్తాం. సంతోషాన్ని నిమిషంలో పాడు చేస్తుంది ఆ ముళ్ళు. అందుకే దాన్ని ఏమంటారు? ముళ్ళు అంటే సాంస్క్రిట్ వర్డ్ మీనింగ్ ముదం లూనాతీతి ముళ్ళు. ముదం అంటే సంతోషం, మోద pramoda and muda. See, moda and is muda, pramoda. But all our pramoda or muda will be just kuchunestamu, noppi, bada. We can't put next step at all. Therefore, అందరికి కూడా భయము అనేది ముళ్ళు. అదర్వైజ్ తెలుగులో అంటే పక్కలో బల్లెము అనేవాడు. ఈ పక్కలో బల్లెము అంటే ఎటు పొరలేరు మీరు. యూ కాంట్, you have to be in one position. You cannot turn to right or left because ballemulu ante spears are there. So that's why the life is there. Therefore, Vijnanam devaha sarve brahma jeshtam upasate. So jesht kim brahma? What is brahma? Jeshtam brahma, superior, and who will be giving us all kinds of benefits. And if you say that Vijnana is Brahma, then what would happen to me? Na pramadyati. You will not be endangering yourself, you will be happy. అంటే బ్రహ్మోపాసన అనేది మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్. బ్రహ్మోపాసన అంటే ఏంటి? మనకంటే భిన్నమైనటువంటిది, పవిత్రమైనటువంటి దాన్ని మనము ఉపాసన చేయాలి. You have to adopt and practice and follow that which is beneficial and higher to you. Therefore, tasmat ched, in that case, na pramadyati. No, there is not going to be any kind of fear. And what more is happening So Sarire Papmano Hitva Sarvan Kaman Samashnutayiti. It's a beautiful general universal statement which will be useful for our practical life. మనలో ఉన్న పాపాలు తొలగిపోతే అప్పుడు మనకు కావలసిన కోరికలు తీరుతాయి. కోరికలు తీరాలి. If your desires are to be fulfilled, then we should not be sinful. So we all attempt in our life is to get rid of the sin. So we say mama upatta samasta durita kshaya dwara Sri Parameswara prityartham. That is durita kshaya. Kshaya means reduce. You have to reduce and reduce and reduce every day, every time through prayers to God, and then Preeti to Paramatma will take place. When Paramatma is pleased, it is easy for us to accomplish that. That's why Sarire Papmano Hitva. ఈ పాపం అంతా ఎక్కడ ఉంటుంది అంటే శరీరంలో ఉంటుంది. And Shankar knows where is the papam deposited in your body. Twak charmama, twak, see, twagasthigatayi, sarva papai pramuchyate, antaru Mahanyasamlo. If you were to recite the Mahanyasam, what is the immediate benefit? The sin which is sticking right from the outer layer, outer skin, down deep the bone of our body. There are 8 layers in our body: outer skin, inner skin, flesh, then blood, then nerves, and so on, up to the bone. That's why 8 layers in our body. Manaku telidu kane unnai. We don't know them, but they are there. And if outer skin cut, only the white skin is visible to us. Because grace ayindi antam. If white skin is cut, parvalelu anukuntam. If the flesh is cut, blood comes out. So blood flow nu mana 3 layers protect chestu mana body lo. Outer skin, inner skin, and flesh covering the blood flow. So God is so secure that he has given a lot of security. We cannot immediately so because everybody is a blood bottle. So we have to be, what is that? Blood is Paramatma and it has got to be protected. So that is, we have to be very careful. Tasmad jagrata papmano hitva and sarvan kaman samashnutayiti. Kama, because dharma, artha, kama, moksha. These are the 4 aims what we have got. So in 4 aims lopala, there is always the connectivity very much. For example, Valmiki Maharshi says, dharma, dharma, dharmat, kamaha, kamat, artha, kamat, moksham. So, artha, kamau, these are the 2 important sandwiched situations between dharma and moksha. మన శాండ్విచెస్ తింటూ ఉంటాం కదా, we enjoy the more the inner stuff than the outer. 2 బ్రెడ్ పీసుల మధ్యలో lot of vegetables పెడతారు. Then and that becomes very much nutritious. ఈ సబ్వేలో చేసేంత అంతే కదా. So సబ్వేలో if you eat one then your stomach is full. Like that, here sarvan kaman. So the artha kama is one which is a driving force for both artha kama. Dharmat artha prabhavati, arthat kamaha prabhavati, kamat moksha, kamat arthat moksha prabhavati. So one is interlinked with others. Therefore asnuta iti. So when he says that asnuta iti means that it is not the direct responsible statement by this Upanishadkara, but it is a quotation brought from the Vedas. యజుర్వేదంలో చెప్పిన దాన్ని ఇక్కడ వినియోగం చేసుకుంటూ ఉన్నారు. కాబట్టి నాలెడ్జ్ ఈజ్ ఎ ఫ్లో and all our knowledge has got background, And when we mention the background, we get no responsibility for ourselves. So here it has been said that if you happen to perform yajnas, you will be able to remove the sin at first stretch. And when once all the sin and contamination and all that gone, then your karma will be fulfilled. And what kind of karma it is depends upon the individual. If you have got dharma karma, welcome. If you have got mosa karma, not welcome. But we suffer. So all people don't. So dharma, that's why our Vedas and elders tell you dharma kamas chet. So prati ఒక్కటి కూడా అంటే ధర్మపత్ని, for example, ధర్మపత్ని and dharmapati, and all these things are dharmas are there, three dharma. That's what, see, in Vishnu Sahasranamam ultimately comes after so many dharmas being taught by Bhishma to the nephews of Krishna in the presence of the Krishna. Bhishma Gita. So when Krishna urged Bhishma to talk about Paramatma, then Bhishma tells there. So there you understand, after all that, he says, Kim ekam daivatam loke, kim vapyekam parayanam. So Dharmaraja put only 4, 5, 6 questions, and Bhishma gave so many slokas, 102, 8 slokas. And ఏమవుతుంది అట్లా చదువుకుంటే ఇన్ని పేర్లు చెప్పుకుంటే నాకేమవుతుంది అని ధర్మరాజు అడుగుతాడు. 32 శ్లోకాలు పరస్పరం చెప్తారు. ఇది ఇదం కీర్తిదం స్తోత్రం అని చెప్పి మొదలెడతారు. సో యూ హ్యావ్ గాట్ టు రీడ్ అనదర్ 32 శ్లోకాస్. సో కామార్థ సర్వాన్ కామాన్ సమశ్నుత ఇది. సో ఆల్ కామాస్ ఆర్ దేర్. సో when do that karma yagnam, which is Vijnana Purvakam Yagnam Kartum. You have to do any sacrifice with a specific intention. Yenduku chestunnavu అని అడుగుతారు. Why are you doing this? Then you should know why are you doing. That's why Yagnena Yagnam Ayajanta Deva. Yagnena Yagnam Ayajanta. So that means Yagnam is Vishnu. Ayajanta means pleasing him. So in order to please Vishnu, you have to take all that connected to Vishnu. That's what is it. So Asnuta iti. And then tasya sharira atma. So anybody who takes to the kama and the sharira atma and atma, independent of sarira, is Brahmatma. I think so. And connected to Sarira is called Shariratma. అంటే ప్రతి ఒక్కడికి ఆత్మ అనేది పడి ఉండే ఉంటుంది. ఆత్మ సాక్షి, ఆత్మనా కర్తవ్యం, ఆత్మతృప్తి, ఆత్మబోధ. శ్రీ శంకరాచార్య ఆత్మబోధ నీవేంట్రా తెలుసుకోమంటాడు. సో వాట్ యు ఆర్, హౌ యు ఆర్ నాట్ సింప్లీ ఆల్వేస్ ఫ్లెష్, బ్లడ్ అండ్ బోన్స్ అండ్ నర్వ్స్. దట్స్ a doctor's department. But a Rishi, a philosopher, a saint, a guru department is talking about soul. That's why if you are having a lot of problems, if you go to a guru, what does guru do? Sugataihi, subhashitaihi, prabodha padavim prapnuvanti dhiyaha guravaha. And Bana in one of his verse says that, so sugataihi subhashitaihi. Sugata means easily understandable. Subhashita means knowledge. And ultimately with that knowledge, what they do? Prabodha padavim prapnavanti. They make you get aware of what exactly you have to target. Before you go to target, you should have a plan. So otherwise you don't go to target, because there are other shops also. But why you choose to go to only target? You have your own planning. Oh, let us go to target only this time. Yeah, America. But India, man sitting and there is no that kind of division. If you go to our Settangadi Arodullo, he would keep any and everything with his same, including hairpins, including safety pins. At least in our young days, we used to have. So, ఏం కావాలన్నా కూడా Settangadi పై తెచ్చుకోండి అన్నారు. Now that formula won't work these days. So anyway, atla ikkada Sharira Atma. So all this kind of Sharira Atma and Brahmatma. So Brahmatma and Sharira Atma, because we have got so many Atmas divided. See, Atmane Namaha, Antaratmane Namaha, Bhutatmane Namaha, Paramatmane Namaha, Brahma, ila different vastu untundi. And then Hutatmane Namaha, Hutatma, ante vellipoyindi, shareeram vellipoyindi. So like that, there are so many attributes for the Atma. But all that Atma, which is beyond attributes, and that is what acquirable through the Vijnanam. So that also we have seen, and we have, if at all, when you are able to catch hold of that Atmananda, see, Atmanandavannu anubhavinchavante emautundi, that is the ultimate goal of all people. What is the goal? Atma Trupti kavali. When do you get Atma Trupti? Moodu masala dosa tinte Atma Trupti avutundi. No, you don't want fourth one or even third one. I'm full, I don't want. I am full, I don't want అనేది అన్నమయ కోశం నుంచి వస్తుంది. అట్టనే మన జపం కూడా అంతే. 108 చేయమంటాడు. ఒక జపమాల పూర్తి తిప్పరా అంటాడు గురువు గారు. మన శృంగేరి స్వామీజీ ఒక్కసారి 5 నిమిషాల్లో జపమాల 108 బీట్స్ తిప్పండి అంటారు. జపమాలే పట్టుకోనికి తిప్పేది ఎక్కడ వచ్చింది? సో అట్లీస్ట్ మినిమం 5 minutes అవుతుంది. ఒక్కసారి జపమాల పూర్తి తిప్పేసి వెళ్ళండి అంటారు. కానీ all urgency falls for people when they sit for puja. Puja kuchkunte enni gnapakam vastayo we don't know. You consider doing sandhya or doing puja is a waste of time. Am I correct? Everybody thinks that yo sandhya una ayyadaledanడి, Gayatri upasana cheyana. Ekkadandi Gayatri upasana? I had to go to car. So these are all the, but we had, that's why he says that Tena Yesha Purnaha Sava Yesha Purusha Vidhayeva. Our Rishi is hammering on the head. You must be a Purna Purusha. When are you Purna Purusha? When you are able to fill Ananda into your Super Atma, not into the Sarira Atma. ఎందుకు పూజ చేస్తున్నాడు? పరమేశ్వర ప్రీత్యర్థం. ఇస్ ఇట్ నాట్? వి సే పరమేశ్వర ప్రీత్యర్థం అని చెప్పి తర్వాత ఏంటుంది? షోడశోపచార పూజాం కరిష్యే అంటాం, ఆర్ పంచోపచార పూజాం కరిష్యే, లేదు మానస పూజాం కరిష్యే. ఏదో వాట్ యు ఆర్ డూయింగ్, యూ షుడ్ బి ఏబుల్ టు డిక్లేర్ దట్. Even gods also get confused. That's why you should not stop with namakam only and go to Purushoktam. Chamakam kuda cheppali. Endukura 175 సార్లు నమస్కారాలు పెట్టండి రుద్రుడు అడుగుతాడు. కాబట్టి you should at least repeat 1 or 2, 3 anuvakas of chamakam and go to the last. Parasuti. That's what it said. Even Lalita Sahasranam, all people think that second chapter is done. No, you should read something of first chapter and third chapter, then only it becomes a Lalita Sahasranama Stotra, is it not? So, Vyasa Bhagavan, Agastya was taught by Hayagriva, not only second chapter, but Prapanchamutta Maya, time ledandi. Aa danlo kuda paper chustu dada parigittipotaru. Anyway, so tasya purusha vidhayeva tasya purusha vidhanam. And ultimately, Ananda Atma, Brahma Pucham Pratishtha, these two things we have to understand. You see, ఆత్మ ఆనందం అంటే ఆనందం అంటే నంద అంటే హ్యాపీనెస్. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ టెంపరరీ హ్యాపీనెస్ అండ్ పర్మనెంట్ హ్యాపీనెస్. రెంటెడ్ హౌస్లో ఉంటే టెంపరరీ హ్యాపీనెస్, ఆర్ లీజుకి తీసుకుంటే ఇంకొంచెం బెటర్ అనుకుంటాం. మరి 5 ఏళ్ళు తీసుకున్నాం, 10 ఏళ్ళు తీసుకున్నాం. అదే ఇఫ్ యూ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ఎ ఓన్ హౌస్, యూ విల్ నాట్ రిమెంబర్ అట్ ఆల్ అబౌట్ హౌస్. దట్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ వాట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఆనంద. నంద అంటే టు హ్యావ్ ఎ హౌసింగ్, ఆనంద అంటే టు హ్యావ్ ఎ పర్మనెంట్ హౌస్. మీదే ఇల్లు అయిపోతే మీకు ఎవడి గొడవ లేదు, ఎవడు వచ్చిన రెంట్ ఇమ్మని అడగడు. సో యు ఆర్ ఫ్రీ. దట్స్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఐ థింక్ ఆత్మ ఆనందం. అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ బ్రహ్మ? When you talk about Brahma Atma, that Brahma is the Pucham. Pucham అంటే ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ ఆఫ్ యువర్ హ్యాపీనెస్. ఏమోనండి, దేవుళ్ళు తృప్తి పడితే మన పని అవుతుంది అంట. అల్టిమేట్లీ యూ జస్ట్ హ్యాండ్స్ అప్ చేస్తారు, చేతులు పైకెత్తే దేవుడే అని కాపాడమంటారు. అందుకే వెన్ దే గో టు బాలాజీ వెంకటరమణ స్వామి 2 చేతుల పైకెత్తి గోవింద అంటారు. There is nothing in our hand except surrendering and all that. So, and then that's why there is a continuation of all that. I think I just try to summarize to you, refresh, because this Upanishad is such a knowledge, it is a volatile substance. చెప్తూ ఉంటే వింటూ ఉంటే హాయిగా ఉంటుంది, తర్వాత we don't follow, but it is a kind of experience. Now we go to more details about that before we try to get upon the confidence and assurances and try to investigate the Brahmananda Mimamsa. Another 2-3 sections are there where before we go on that kind of section, we have got Anandamaya Kosha. What is that according to the Brahma? I'm in the 23rd page of the thing, or that last but one section. Please repeat. Om asanneva sabhavati.
Om
asanneva sabhavati.
asanneva sabhavati.
Asad brahmeti veda cheto.
असत् ब्रह्मेति वेद चेत्.
असत् ब्रह्मेति वेद चेत्.
अस्ति ब्रह्मेति चेत् वेदा.
अस्ति ब्रह्मेति चेत् वेदा.
अस्ति ब्रह्मेति चेत् वेदा.
संतमेनं ततो विदुरिति.
संतमेनं ततो विदुरिति.
संतमेनं ततो विदुरिति.
तस्यैष एव शारीरात्मा.
तस्यैष एव शारीर आत्मा.
तस्यैष एव शारीर आत्मा.
यः पूर्वस्य
यः पूर्वस्य.
So up to then 1 unit, let us understand before we go to the Phalashruti, later on a kind of investigation, because generally we don't take things granted. The present children or everybody will ask, for example, a boy will ask, when father says, Sandhyavandan chera, Devatartham chera, Slokam chapra. Why should I do it? No, my father was doing, my grandfather was doing. This is not the explanation which will convince the boy to go to puja, is it not? మీ అప్పకు బుద్ధి లేదప్పా అంటాడు. మీ అప్పకు బుద్ధి లేదు, వాళ్ళకి తెలీదు అని చెప్పేసి పరిగెత్తిపోతాడు. I've seen some people like that. No, you should talk to them in a convincing manner, put some scientific details also to them, then they will try to understand, because these days the intelligence is too much among children and all that. So Upanishad stands unique and eternal and answering to all generations of people. That is the greatness of our rishis. So here, see, Saha Brahma Asan Eva Bhavati. Saha Brahma, a Brahmadevudu ఉన్నట్టే అనిపిస్తాడు, but we don't know whether he is there or not. So asanneva sabhavati, and asat brahmeti veda cheto. So asat is non-existent, sat is existent. So బ్రహ్మదేవుడు కనిపించకుండానే ఉన్నట్టుగా అనిపిస్తుంది మనకు. దట్స్ వై ఇంగ్లీష్లో ఏమంటాడు, there is no God అని. ఏమంటుంది ఫస్ట్ 2 words, there is అంటాం, తర్వాత తిక్క పైకి వచ్చేసి no God అంటాం. సో no God is later words, but assertion, denial. But the assertion, denial both are there. దేవుడు ఉన్నాడు, దేవుడు లేడు, బట్ దేవుడు అనే శబ్దం ఉంది కదా. సో యూ కాంట్ డినై ది వర్డ్ దేవుడు. అట్లా అసత్ బ్రహ్మేతి వేద చేతు. సో ఒకవేళ ఇన్ కేస్ యూ థింక్ దట్ ది గాడ్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్, ఆర్ అండ్ ఇంకొక ఆస్పెక్ట్ ఏంటంటే వేద చేత్ అసన్నేవ సభవతి. దట్స్ వన్ స్టేట్మెంట్. మన కళ్ళకి కనిపించడు, హీ విల్ నాట్ బి విజిబుల్ టు అవర్ experience of vision. And in that case, if you understand that chet means if you understand the Brahma is asat, then another aspect is asti brahmeti chet veda. ఇంకొక ప్రపోజిషన్ ఏంటంటే బ్రహ్మ అస్తి ఇది చే వేద చేత్. బ్రహ్మ ఉన్నాడు, బ్రహ్మ లేడు. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ ఇస్ ది డిబేట్. ఆల్ పీపుల్ హావ్ గాట్ ద డిబేట్. గాడ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్స్, గాడ్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్. వాట్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇఫ్ గాడ్ డస్ నాట్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్? వాట్ వుడ్ హ్యాపెన్ ఇఫ్ గాడ్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్? వెరీ డిఫికల్ట్ టు డిటర్మిన్. అండ్ therefore next sentence tells you tam yenam tam santam tataha viduhu. So when you have this asat and sat question discussed by you, ultimately you get into the solution that there is God. Yenam santam. Santam ante existent. Vidu means knowing. Iti is a quotation brought from previous Vedic texts. So the previous texts have given you the proposition that everything is because of Paramatma. And because all these seasonal changes, time movements, and any and everything that you are observing the nature, who is having the monitor, who is having the remote with him? And again, if you think that rainfall, there are places where the rain ratio also is determined. And like that, santamenam tato viduriti. So, yeshaha tasya atma sharira eva. So, where is that atma? That atma is there vested in the body. So in the person there, and then once you know that Paramatma is there in our body, then some questions occur. చెప్పండి. అథాతోను ప్రశ్నాః.
అథాథోను ప్రశ్నాః.
అథాతోను ప్రశ్నాః.
ఉతా విద్వానమం లోకం ప్రేత్య.
ఉత విద్వానముం లోకం ప్రేత్య.
विद्वानमुं लोकं प्रेत्य
कश्चन गच्छति
कश्चन गच्छति
कश्चन गच्छति
अहो विद्वानमुं लोकं प्रेत्य
आहो विद्वानमुं लोकं प्रेत्य
अहो विद्वानमुं लोकं प्रेत्य
कश्चित् समश्नुता
कश्चित् समश्नुता ऊ
कश्चितः समश्नुता
So kaschana gacchati is one hope and kaschitu samasnuta is another. There you have got who is here added to signify that. So nobody living upon this earth will remain permanent. He has to retire. He has to go away to another loka. ఈ లోకంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి పర్మనెన్స్ లేదు, ఏ లోకంలో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కూడా పర్మనెన్స్ లేదు. బట్ ఎక్కడ వెన్ పీపుల్ ఆర్ హ్యావింగ్ ది పర్మనెన్స్ ఓన్లీ వెన్ దే ఆర్ ఇన్ బ్రహ్మలోక. దట్స్ వై ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ ఎ సత్యలోకం. ఏ లోకాల్లో ఉన్నా కూడా యూ కెనాట్, యూ హ్యావ్ టు గో బ్యాక్. దట్స్ వై హి సేస్ దట్ అనుప్రశ్నాః అథ అతః అనుప్రశ్నాః. ఈ అథ అతః అనేది ప్రావర్బియల్లీ కంటిన్యూస్. అథ అంటే దెన్, అతః అంటే దేర్ ఫోర్. ఈ దెన్ అండ్ దేర్ ఫోర్ is the most commonly used one in శాస్త్ర గ్రంథాస్. ఇదే ఒక పెద్ద సబ్జెక్ట్. అథాతో ధర్మ జిజ్ఞాస ఎగ్జాంపుల్, అథాతోను ప్రశ్నాః, అథాతో కర్మ జిజ్ఞాస. కాబట్టి ఇలా ఇదిగా అట్లనే because it is said that God is there, God is not there. If you want to understand both things, then some questions come up for you. Yeah, what are the questions that are coming up? Prashna is also discussion begins. What is that? Amum lokam pretya uta kascha nagachati kaha cha gachati na. See, which is the place where the person does not go when once he departs from this world. See, amum lokam means amuloka ante bhulokam. ఈ భూలోకాన్ని వదిలిన తర్వాత ఏ లోకానికి వెళ్తామో ఎవరికి తెలుసు? బట్ ఇట్ ఈస్ సర్టన్ దట్ వీ కెనాట్ కంటిన్యూ ఇన్ దిస్ భూలోకం. అండ్ దేర్ఫోర్ we have got to ensure ourselves with knowledge. Vidwan. So a vidwamsa అయినటువంటి వాడికి జ్ఞానం ద్వారా he will be able to elevate himself, go to a better lokas. And therefore he says uta, and uta means and amum lokam pretya vidwan. So anybody, చూసారా, everybody's knowledge is personal. మనం ఈ రోజుల్లో ఎంత చదువుకున్నా, ఎంత జ్ఞానం నేర్చుకున్నా, we will not be able to give all that knowledge to next generation or to everybody. When once we leave our body, all knowledge goes away. Shankara, Madhva, Ramanuja, so many people are there, and all of them are great scholars, plenty of knowledge. But our knowledge వాళ్ళతో వెళ్ళిపోతుందని it will not. For example, Bhishma, when the time came for Bhishma to leave the body, Krishna becomes conscious and said, no, this is time for Bhishma to go away. Let us gather whatever little knowledge that is in him. Because Bhishma Tata is highly learned. in what? Dharmas. So to get knowledge of dharma, he went there. And he went like that. మనం చూసిన ఎంత జ్ఞానం ఉన్నా కూడా, and that's why one question is asked, why Shiva has chosen to be the guardian of the smashanams. ఎందుకు అంటే ఆయనకి అందరినీ కలుద్దామని ఆశట. ఎవరు ఎటువంటి రీతిలో ప్రొఫెసర్స్ అయినా ఆర్ ప్రొఫెషనల్స్ అయినా అందరూ శ్మశానానికి వెళ్ళిపోరు కదా, వాళ్ళందరినీ కలుద్దామని ఆశట. సో దట్స్ వై ఈజ్ ది శ్మశాన కీపర్. అండ్ మోర్ ఓవర్ హీ స్టేస్ ఇన్ కాశీ బికాస్ దట్స్ ఎ మహాశ్మశానం. Anybody, all people come there, all punyatmas come. However punya it is there, you have to leave the body. Like that, here, see, lokam pretya kascha samasnuta uti. So, yedo uti, samasnuta means asnuta is to attain. So, what is the lokam that he is going to attain? And that is the exact mimamsa for us. మనము ఉన్నంత వరకు, ఆరోగ్యంగా ఉన్నంత వరకు ప్రపంచమంతా అందంగా కనిపిస్తుంది. బట్ ఆ ఆరోగ్యం కావాలి అంటే ఆరోగ్యం ఉన్నప్పుడే నాలెడ్జ్ను పికప్ చేస్తారు. దట్స్ వై వి మేక్ ఎ ప్రేయర్, భద్రం కర్ణేభిః శృణుయామ దేవాః, భద్రం పశ్యేమ అక్షభిః జత్రాః, అండ్ స్థిరైరంగైః తుష్టువాగుంసః. These three are importantly requested by all the Vedas, because our auditory power should be good, our vision should be good, and all our limbs of the body should be firm, and then we can work for ourselves and work for others. Therefore, this is what is being, but you have got to determine with one kind of belief that there is God, there is higher loka, and this loka is not permanent. We have to transit. So when we transit, where are we going? So this is exactly, now this Prajapati is giving us some more information, okay? So kamayata.
అంకుల్ ఉతా అంటే మీనింగ్ ఏం చెప్పాను? ఉతా విద్య అండ్ చా, మరి చాలాగా
అముం లోకం ప్రేత్య అథాతోను ప్రశ్న అన్నప్పుడు ఒకటోటి. నాట్ ఓన్లీ అనుప్రశ్న. Another important feature is that when once the fellow gets away from this land, where is he going? You can tell that I have purchased ticket to Delhi. But when you are leaving the body, where is the question of purchasing the ticket anywhere? You don't know destination. When we were high school students, a person goes to the ticket counter, రైల్వే స్టేషన్, మా ఊరికి టికెట్ అయ్యా అంటాడు. మా ఊరికి టికెట్ ఇవ్వమంటే వాడు ఎట్లా ఇస్తారు టికెట్? హౌ కెన్ దట్ ఇష్యూ ఏ టికెట్ ఫర్ యూ? మా ఊరు అగైన్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ప్లేస్ అంటే మా ఊరికి ఇవ్వయ్యా. సో మా ఊరు ఏదో వాడికేం తెలుసు, మనకు కూడా తెలీదు ఒక్కోసారి. అట్లా నేను ఎక్కడ పోతున్నా నాకు తెలియదండి, ఎందుకు వెళ్తున్నాను అంట. వేర్ ఆర్ యూ గోయింగ్? ఐ డోంట్ నో వేర్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్, బట్ ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్. సో లైక్ దాట్ here amum lokam pretya samasnuta iti. And now we have got some knowledge about the creation. Who is that who creates? ఈ సృష్టి క్రమాన్ని మొదలెట్టేవాడు ఎవడు అంటే బ్రహ్మదేవుడు ఆర్ పరమాత్మ. ఇఫ్ దెర్ ఇస్ నో పరమాత్మ, నో క్రియేషన్ అట్ ఆల్. సో ఎవ్రీథింగ్ అండ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అండ్ ఆల్ ది సృష్టి is because of the desire of Brahma. That's why, please repeat, so kamayata.
So kamayata.
సో కామయత
Bahusyam prajayeti.
Ahusyam prajayeti.
అహోస్యాం ప్రజాయేతి
Satapo tattva tapyata.
Satapotapyata.
సతపోతప్యత
Satapastatva.
Satapastaptva.
సతపస్తప్త్వా
idagum sarvamasrujatu.
idagam sarvamasrujata.
idagam sarvamasrujata.
Yadidam kincha
Yadidam kincha.
Yadidam kincha.
So these are all the bija sentences, source sentences, which has been very well explained in the Puranas. ప్రతి ఒక్క పురాణంలోనూ సృష్టి క్రమం ఉంటుంది. How the creation came into being. For example, in Bhagavatam, the Srishti because of the Paramatma with Sankalpam. పరమాత్మని యొక్క సంకల్పం నుంచి వస్తుంది బ్రహ్మదేవుడు. ఆయన ఇటువంటి సంకల్పం రావచ్చు కానీ ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు అకాంప్లిష్ యువర్ డిజైర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు వర్క్. దట్స్ వై తపస్. ఎటువంటి తపస్సు చేస్తే అటువంటి పవర్ మనకు వస్తుంది. We should know what kind of margam is there to reach our goal of our desire. Therefore, here also, in order to know the direction, the goal of that unique order, even that Prajapati performed penance. Tapassu cheste gani. Tapas means hard work. Unless you work hard, you will not reap the benefits. Therefore, similarly in Bhagavatam, in Narayaniam also it has been mentioned that when Pralayam operation is complete, then Narayana was reclining upon the Adisesha comfortably, and he got out of the Yoga Nidra, and before that Brahmadeva came up from the Nabhikamalam, and he performed penance, and he got the directive to start creation. Then what Brahmadeva did, he created negativity first. Evil, disease, fear, and all that negativity was there. Suddenly he realized, what is that I am doing? Kya kar raha ho? So what is that I am doing? Then he said, no, all negativity, what is this? Again he performed 1,000 years of penance, got the inspiration and suggestion from Brahma, and started creating the positive things. Manishulu, Devatalu, Gandharvalu, Yakshulu, Kinnarulu, Kimparshulu, and Chitlu, etc. Anni create chestar. Therefore, Manishulki eppudu kuda no first vastundi tarvata chestar. Why all people say no? Hey, please give me your key ante no antaru. Tarvata accept chestaru, reject chestaru later on. The revision. But no is because Brahma, it is all not our mistake. Mana creation mistake. That's what we realize in Narayaniyam and Bhagavatam and everywhere. First negativity, tarvata positivity. Even Bhartrihari has told that Durjana Parihartavyaha, first of all, you should try to keep the bad fellows, wicked fellows away from you. And then you can think of Sajjanas. Otherwise, it becomes a battle. So, Durjana Parihartavyaha, etlante Dantadhavanat Purvam Garasuddhi Jayate anta. Before we wash our teeth, brush our teeth, you have to clear your throat. Throat is Durjana. And so once you clear your throat, you can make your Dantadhavana. That's what Durjana, and that was the quotation given from Vastam, and people used to say that. So that's why there are more bad and wicked and hopeless people in the world. And there is more wastage of food done than consumption of the food. That's what that Kripa Krishnamurti told you in that last lecture, Indian wisdom. Connecting food, health, and lot of food, especially in India. So much food is wasted. Inta waste chestaru artham lekundi. Anyway, but that's out of context. So satapo tapyata satapastaptva idam sarvam asrujata. Sarvam means positive, negative. And antamatram kadu. Yadidam kimcha, also something plus. You always talk about plus, is it not? Plus, 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 plus. So kincha, that's why chame, 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 and plus, plus, plus. See, Siram chame, layas chame, kamam chame, anukamas chame, sutis chame, prasutis chame, chame napru. That exactly what is called as, kincha napru, plus. So, the creation also is being mentioned in the instance of talking about the Brahma's Ananda. Brahma Anandam eppudundante creation lone undi ayanku Anandam. And when Brahma is creating, he is sharing his Anandam in the creation. Therefore, everybody born is out of the Anandam only. And because of the happiness of the couple or parents, the children are born. Like that, and then what happened? There is ultimately the creation must not end up with mere physical mundane life. There should be intelligence and knowledge and spirituality. And without the sense of spirituality, the life will be really morose and miserable. Therefore, we are always to have a corner for a God, not the whole house. You keep only a corner in our house, all house we occupy, but we have to spare a corner for God. That you don't do means God will be angry. No. Therefore, the next part we are going to see the sharing and personality of Brahma Anandam, and that will be a wonderful thing. And before we go to the extent of getting the confidence and protection from him. I hope Taittiriya Upanishad is interesting for us because it is able to talk to us so many primordial things and the development therefrom and experience to everybody in all generations. Because no generation is free from all that what has been indicated here. Therefore, all people really enjoy Taittiriya Upanishad knowledge first best. ఎన్ని ఉపనిషత్తు చదువుకున్నా కూడా తైత్తరీయ ఉపనిషత్తు మాత్రం చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఫ్రూట్ఫుల్గా ఉంటుంది. And that we can have a summary of the entire utility of that when once we complete the whole Upanishad. Because of all the Upanishad, Taittiriya, because Taittiriya Upanishad is an ancient Upanishad. And there is some knowledge connected to mundane happiness at the same time spiritual happiness. When you club the material happiness plus spiritual attainments, then life will be a fulfillment. Otherwise, we get tired. After 1 week, go to temple and come back. Then you see the mind, how it will be. Shankar went to the Koti, in the Koti Kunkumarchana took place.
Yes.
I was very glad that Satish Kumar took me. And I got photographs. I sent to this Meena also.
Right.
And look at the idea of people. With dollar notes, they prepared Aditya Mandalam to Surya Bhagavan, to Ramachandra. $50 note, $1 note, colors, 100 note. So there are 3, 4, 5, you have to meticulously see that. I don't know that was done that. A National College student when I talked about National College, sir, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ನಾನು ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು. Somewhere in 70s, that lady was very important volunteer and all that. So, sir, you observe, Aditya Mandalam has been done with the dollar notes. మన ఇండియాలో రూపీ నోట్లో మాలగా వేసేస్తుంటారు. కానీ ఇలాంటి ఆదిత్య మండలం చేయలేదు. ఐ హావ్ నాట్ సీన్ దట్. రూపాయల నోట్లు కల్పించి I saw somewhere, and the whole temple Garbhudi decorated with the rupee notes. That also video sometime I saw in Facebook. So people are really crazy
Very creative. Yeah.
and creative. Nobody will get the idea. that Gods want coins, not the notes. So they don't believe in notes. They believe in the coin. Anyway, that's why హోమం చేస్తే హోమంలో కాయిన్స్ వేస్తాను నోట్ లెవెల్ యూ కాంట్ బర్న్ నోట్స్ సో లైక్ దాట్ బట్ చాలా బాగుంది ఆ కుంకుమ మార్చున్నాయి పెద్దగా ఇట్ వాస్ సో సచ్ ఎ బిగ్ వన్ అండ్ గ్రేట్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఎనీవే వీ స్టాప్ హియర్ అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ నాలెడ్జ్ gathered from the Upanishad and we have come to know the Brahmananda. Om Swasti.
Om Swasti. Sahana Bhavatu. Sahanau Bhunaktu. Sahaviryam Karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Hari Om.
Harihi Om Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.
Arpanamastu.
Sri Veda Purusha
Ashirvadamastu.
Om Tat Sat. So we continue next Monday.
Yes. Thank you, Uncle.
Okay, thank you, Uncle. Thank you.
Now we have to do some puja. Kukumarchana Amma is waiting.
Yes.
Thank you.
Namaste.
So today is Deepavali Amavasya, tomorrow Balipada. So Narakasura and Bali Chakravarti, both are remembered. Narakasura is the son of Bhudevi, and Satyabhama killed him.
Okay.
Later on, she realized that she killed her own son,
Hmm.
and that is a curse for Bhudevi. That Bhudevi has to undergo the spilling of the blood of her own children when they want her expressed. And Bhagavatam tapa shapam kodtaru. Parvati gives a curse to Bhudevi. Anyway, thank you very much. We meet next Monday. How do you find Shankar? So much is there.
Uncle, very nice. Yeah, chala bagundi. Manchi knowledgeable session. So it's very good.
See, when we read books, we can't
the
much
same.
appreciate our own things.
Yes, it's not the same.
So మనం కూర్చొని మాట్లాడుకుంటే when we talk like this, it will be beneficial to all.
Right, Uncle.
Okay, Andy. Thank you very much. God bless.
Namaste.
పంపించండి. Seshachala will do that.